and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?
Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. What I made today, as you can see, just finished chicken broccoli. Really simple stir fry. This version is not using any flour or slurry. It's just straight in, really simple, tastes delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. Chicken breast, cut nice and thin, no skin, no bone. Broccoli, garlic sliced, red chili sliced, sliced onion. That is pretty much it. They're the kind of raw ingredients. We're going to be adding some oil and a few other little sauces. Really simple. Let's go and do it now. Okay, so I've got a wok or a pan. I've got in there a little bit of oil. I'm using a peanut oil, but you could be using any oil that you like. Simply, we're going to drop in our onions, our garlic, and our chili. To that, I'm going to add some pepper. A little touch of salt. Only a little touch, because we're going to be adding some soy and fish sauce as well to this. Simply 3 to 4 minutes, let's stir fry these around. And now we're going to add in our chicken. Like I said, chicken breast with no skin, no bone, and cut really nice and thin. Stir fry again, about 4 minutes. Okay, you can see that our chicken has changed colour completely. Now I'm going to add a little touch of soy sauce, a light, what I'm using today. Like a sort of tablespoon there. And then some fish sauce, like a teaspoon or so. And like I say, that's going to give it, both of them will add saltiness to it. That's why we added a little touch of salt earlier. Okay, again, so let's go for about another 3 minutes or so. Keep stirring. At this point, I'm now going to add in my broccoli. Now my broccoli is raw. Some people would blanch it, but I like it really kind of quite crunchy. That's up to you. So in that goes into the mix, and again, a couple of minutes stirring away. Okay. And then finally, I'm going to be adding some oyster sauce. One and a half tablespoons there perhaps. And again, we're just going to cook this now for about 2 more minutes, stirring all the time, and it's done. Okay, there you go. Really simple. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out the Facebook and all that. There's loads going on there, and the website and everything. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?